Hey guys, what's up? So I have made 40 videos on this channel, but can I remember all of them? That's what we're testing today. And the cameraman is gonna play a random video, and I'm gonna have to guess which one it is just by hearing the sound. So hopefully I can get a good score, and let's see if I can do this. Okay. Begin the first sound. Okay, that's my first intro music. Yeah, it's my first intro, but I still don't know what video.
Please consider subscribing, as it will help me out a ton
Wait.
for future videos.
Wait.
And you can turn on notifications so you never miss an upload.
I think
And comment something cool if you want to.
wait, which one?
Anyways, let's get into the video.
What is it? Wait. School stereotypes. Yes, I got it. Okay, next audio. Already 1 out of 40. Okay, here we go. That's the dog I was just trying to loot. Yes, I got it. I know my videos. I know my vids. Next video, please. Old intro again. But I had the 2 versions of my old intro. I wanna know which one it is. It's the newer version of the old intro. Okay.
Alright, so guys, now
It's
starting this video on a pretty unusual place.
Yep, that's the
Yeah.
accidentally went on a 2-hour kayaking ride. Yes. Old intro again. Okay, it's my old intro.
Hello everybody! Today we're playing Henry Stickmin again. This time we're playing
That's so obvious.
chapters
It's
4 to 5. Anyways, let's
it's Henry
just-
Stickmin Part 2.
Okay, here we
Okay, now we're gonna kick things up. Now it can be any point of the video, because it won't be fun if I get all correct.
Let's try to win the door. Wait,
That's Henry Stickmin Part 1. Wait. It's me trapped in a nutshell, is it? Yes. Can I'm doing really good so far. And that's the problem. If I get all correct, then it won't be entertaining, because
but I will not tell you when that is, so it's a surprise. But
Wait.
That's pretty much it for this video.
wait, that's actually hard.
Yeah, please, also at 100k subs, we will do a face reveal. I really on the milestone, but we can do it, okay? We can do it.
It's
At 10k subs, we'll do a name reveal, but we get the silver play button, because it's kind of harder to breathe in this mask, so please help me, please. It'll mean the world.
it's hard. Is it practicing Fortnite skills every day until I become
I am the best person to speak ever in this world, dude.
it's
I cannot believe it, dude. They should give me 300 Guinness World Record books, dude. Alright, just see you in the next video, dude. Peace out.
I think is it practicing Fortnite skills every day until I become a sweat Number 3. What was it? What was it? Show me. It was. I'm a little late to make this. It was the I'm a little late to make this video. Next clip.
English. I get the goods. I don't have a gun. Okay, so we couldn't record us defeating Eminem because the footage got corrupted.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yes.
I remember when I did that. Is it the Fortnite Chapter 2 remix number 2 video?
Okay, I need some ammo.
Oh my god, yes! My reactions are so fake, dude. Next video, please.
My sideways aim. Let's see.
It's practicing Fortnite every day until he becomes wet.
Shots with the festival. So let's see how good I am.
Is it?
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, that's number 1, is it? No, wait. Yeah, it is number 1. Let's go. Please. Can you make this harder?
The rat infestation, sir. GCPD sent a squad to flush them out.
That is the...
Oh. Can I throw it?
I think it's the VR video. Yes, make this harder, please. Okay. Okay. Wait, what? What? What is it? What? Wait. I forgot about this. It's the top 10 Soundfish video. Yeah, is it the top 10 Soundfish video? Yes! Okay. Every time I get it wrong, I'm gonna get a pillow thrown at me. Which also means that things have to get harder, because I know you guys want to see me get hit by a pillow in the face. So cameraman, you better make it harder, because I want the content. Like, just choose the most It's the old intro. Usually you can hear with the mic quality on how long ago they were recorded.
Hello everybody, and today we're playing this grinder game that I found. Well,
when did I play a grinding game?
So let's just see what this is. I haven't played this game. Okay, what is this? Oh!
Wait. It's that grind. What was it called again? Grind.
Everyone saw me.
Ground punk maybe?
Shot in red face.
Was it grind punk? Cyber grind? What was it called again?
That's one.
Grind punk?
Yes.
Wait, what was it then? Can you see me what it is? That is the grind punk video. Okay, next level. What? How am I gonna guess? I'll just guess I'll just guess that it's the first Fortnite video I made. Wait, not. Wait, that means I gotta get a pillow thrown at me. Oh god. That wasn't too bad. Take the pillow back. Okay. Next audio, please. What?
Oh, you.
Is it maybe practicing Fortnite skills until I become a sweat number 3? No? Wait, what do you mean? Oh no. Ow. What was it then? Search 7 chests at Risky Reels. I completely forgot about that. I completely forgot about that video. That video did so well, but I don't think it's that popular anymore. Next video, please. What the heck? How much? What?
Oh, hi, I'm so happy.
Hello? What? What? It's one of the MD with a $25 budget, but which one is it? I honestly don't remember which episode it is. It's maybe it's 2. Wait, but I got it wrong. Oh wait, that means that I have a pill chucked in my head. Oh no. Ow. Which one was it? It was number 3, dude. I'll do better next time, hopefully. Wait, that was... Wait, but I never uploaded a video with it. Hey, you're playing it too long. Wait, I never... That was actually... Wait, did I ever make a video with that intro? Wait, no, it was a scrapped intro. Wait, when did I use that song? Which one of my videos can, I'll just guess it's, wait, no, I never uploaded that. What is it then? Is it, I'll just guess that it's probably one of my older videos. I guess. What is it? I'm guessing it's the... I'll just guess the... I'll guess it's the practicing Fortnite skills 1 video. It's not? But I completely forgot that shorts are included. Oh no, I'm gonna have a pillow.
Testing it, Ripper.
Oh no. Ow. Okay. Here are the pillows you threw at me. There you go. Next clip. This is the chicken short video. Yeah, I gotta draw. Right, let's go. What? it's the, but I don't know. I have used it quite a lot. I heard it's. What am I supposed to do with a big explosion, dude? What am I supposed to do with a big explosion? I'll just get. It's one of my newer, so maybe it's the VR feed? No, maybe it's not. Dude, I genuinely don't remember what the third most recent video I did was. Oh god. Wait, what? When did I do what? What? I give up. I don't know. What was it? It was MD episode 5, dude. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Yeah. It's MD episode 7. Yay! No, I've told you, you don't get hit with a pillow if I get it right. Was that my guessing audio?
So, we're just unsupervised.
It's MD. It's one of the MDs, maybe it's... Oh god, I don't know. Is it? I haven't seen MD in such...
Go campers, let's sound off. 1, 2.
I think it's number 4, maybe. Wait, yeah, is it? It is! My mask is...
Testing rip-off Fortnite. Okay, we're gonna play.
It's the testing rip-off Fortnite.
There is no battle royale.
It's the testing rip-off Fortnite. Yeah. Oh, my mask is made in China.
Let's see how loud I can scream. Now, massive volume warning. But without further ado, let's hear me scream, okay? 3, 2, 1. Let's see how loud I can scream.
It's how loud I could scream.
Volume warning.
I think I can scream louder, but I don't wanna wake up my whole house and like, yeah. Okay, next. So, how many videos are there left right now? Dude, he didn't count.
Ooh, maybe we can find something interesting in here. Is that a timer? This thing might work. What? Ooh, I removed that. I removed it. My map is almost finished, but I will
It's when I made the game, right? Yes. No, you don't get hit with a pillow.
Oh, what's this? Now there's an update. Ooh, it fixed a ton of glitches, like the pump being an absolute sniper.
It's the history of Fortnite. No! Wait, wait. I need 2 of those. Which part is it? Maybe it's part 1? Because that's the OG Fortnite. Yeah, I remember.
such as the railgun, the Chimera ray gun, the Propafire.
What are the chances that he chose part 2 after part 1? It's part 2, right? Yeah!
Oh my god!
That's Poppy Playtime. I made it a week ago, of course I remember it. MD8. Wait. MD number 8 part 1? No, wait, it's a part 2. Part 3? Part 4? Part 5? Part 6? What is it then? I don't see it. Where's the full episode? Whatever, hit me with the pillow. Ow. It's MD number 7 part 1. Yeah, I know stuff. I wish you counted. I think we're done with all the shorts though. I think it's the MD number 8, but I don't know which part it is, or if it's the full episode. I'll just guess part 1. Oh my god, I got it, let's go. But a lot of mouse clicking. Why is it so much? That was a lot of clicking. I remember I know I have only used that clicking sound, that spam clicking once, and it's in one of the MD number 8. I'll guess it's the full episode. This part 2, dad. Ow. This mask. It hurts so bad. It's my second intro. MD part 2. This mask hurts so bad. MD part 1. I got it, let's go! Am I almost done? Wait, I don't know. If the cameraman is lying, then I just guessed all 40. Wait. Did it?
So hi guys, today we're playing Fortnite, and this will be pretty much all my gaming videos, so...
It's my first Fortnite video? Yeah, okay.
First video.
Okay, can you pause it now?
YouTube channel.
That was actually a legendary video. My first ever video. And in fact, I actually still have Mr. Dolphin, aka the first thing to ever appear on my channel, but I know that's Dolphin versus Orca. Dude, I swear if I got that wrong, I'd be sent out into space, dude. Okay, was that all? Okay, if he isn't lying, I just guessed all my 40 videos. And can you please do me a huge favor and click that big red subscribe button, because I have a dream of becoming one of the top YouTubers on YouTube. So please, because I am. You know what's crazy is I am actually stuck in the back rooms, literally. And I cannot leave until we hit 1,000 subs. So, please subscribe.